Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick GoPro tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to connect your GoPro Hero 13 Black to the GoPro Quik app on your phone. It's really quite simple to do. This will allow you to control your GoPro as well as transfer video files over to your phone. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now you can download the GoPro Quik app for free for both Android and Apple from your app store, and we'll go ahead and open that up. I've already got my Hero 12 Black in here, but we're going to be adding the 13 Black. So let's go ahead and turn on our GoPro here. We'll hold down the button for a couple of seconds there. And here in the app, we need to go ahead and make sure the GoPro icon in the bottom right-hand corner is selected. So there's albums, media, studio, and GoPro. So make sure that's selected. And here in the top right-hand corner, there's a little plus sign with a GoPro icon. We'll go ahead and tap that. And it's going to start searching for our GoPro. Now, it's probably not going to find it here. So we'll have to get our GoPro into pairing mode. So a list of GoPros is going to come up here, and we can go ahead and select our GoPro. So mine is the Hero 13 Black, and it's going to tell us what to do to get our GoPro into pairing mode. So on our GoPro, we're going to swipe down from the top, then we're going to swipe from right to left, and it says pair device right here. We can go ahead and tap on that, and it's going to put our GoPro into pairing mode. Then we can go ahead and hit connect here on our phone, and it found our GoPro right away. So we can go ahead and hit connect right here. It's going to say connecting. Give that a couple seconds. Connected. We can change the name of our GoPro if we like. I'm going to leave mine as Hero 13 Black, but you could type in something there if you like and hit save new name, but I'll hit leave as Hero 13 Black. I do have an update available, so I could hit continue here to do the update. I'm going to say later for that one. And we can also connect the camera to our Wi-Fi network so we can auto-upload our photos to the cloud. I'm going to leave that for later as well. That's the service you pay for. You can connect that right there. I'll say I'll do this later. This is going to say your Hero 13 Black is ready. And now it says our GoPro is in use. So if we go here, we can actually record from here. We can change all sorts of settings in here. Gives us all sorts of options. We can view our media, etc. If we do want to jump over to a different GoPro, if you have a couple of them like I do, you can just swipe left and right to switch back and forth. And really it's that simple to add a GoPro Hero 13 Black to the GoPro Quik app.